When they don't understand, I just tell them in Spanish. It's faster. Sí, es más rápido. Pero, ¿qué estamos perdiendo al traducir todo? Welcome to More Than Words. Today, we talk about how to make meaning in English without needing to translate. Because language is not just about words, it's about connection, rhythm, and trust. We know the challenge. You say, stand up, and they look at you like you're from another planet. And yeah, the temptation is there. Say it in Spanish and move on. But teaching a new language is not about speed, it's about building meaning together. Children don't learn English by translating, they learn by experiencing the language with their body, their emotions, and their senses. When you say, sit down, and tap the floor with a smile, when you open your arms and say, come here, with affection, you're not just teaching English, you're giving those words home. Language becomes real when it's lived. That's why routine, gesture, expression, and repetition matter more than explanation. Let's share some classroom moments, real ones, where teachers stopped translating and started building meaning. In one class, a teacher used a stuffed animal named Bobby. Every morning, Bobby woke up and said, "Good morning, are you sleepy?" Children answer with gestures first, then with words. No one ever said, "Estoy cansado." They just lived the language. In another school, a teacher had flashcards of actions: wash, eat, play, and used them as commands with movement. The children didn't need a translation. They had context, repetition, and fun. One teacher told us, "I stopped saying siéntate. I just waited. I sat down myself, patted the floor, and smiled." It took longer, but now the children understand sit down before she even says it. So, what can we do every day to create meaning in English without falling into the translation trap? First, use gestures consistently. Your body is your best visual aid. When you say stand up, point to yourself, model it. Second, add visuals on real objects. Show a cup when you say cup. Touch your nose when you say nose. Connect words to reality. Third, repeat with joy. Children don't get tired of hearing it. They need it. Repetition builds confidence. Fourth and last, be patient. Use routines. The morning routine and closing meeting are your allies. Same words, same gestures, same flow every day. And above all, trust the process. English is not taught, it's caught. Because when children feel safe, loved, and included, the words will come, and they will be theirs, not translated, but understood from the heart. Thanks for teaching with trust. This was More Than Words.